Hello friends, we are starting the new topic today and which is the method overloading. So basically most important concept of the object oriented programming in Java. What is the method overloading? And what is the use of the method overloading? So firstly, what is the method overloading? Method overloading is the we can create the multiple method with the same name in the same class by changing the number of parameter or changing the data types of the parameter. So what is the use? What is the use or what is the advantages of the method overloading over the simple coding that we do in the daily life? So firstly, method overloading. We can create the method or same name of the method with the different parameter or different data types, we can say. So no any wastage of the space, so they are accessed by their parameters. So we are starting by with your our actual coding. So what we will do, so firstly I am making the one method which is of the sum. We name as the sum. This is my public. I am taking return type void. Or I am taking the add method. Let's say I am putting here my parameter integer x and integer y. I have taken two data type, one of the integer data type and two parameters x and y. Two parameters I have taken. So here I simply sys out x plus y. Whatever the result in this method x plus y, it will give me. So I am creating another one method. Here I am creating another one method which is of the same name of the add. But here I am changing the number of parameter, not a data type of parameter. Here I am changing only number of parameter. Here first add method I have taken only two parameters x and y. Here I am going to take three parameter x, integer y, and as well as integer z. I have taken three parameter, and this method I am also doing only addition, simple addition, x plus y plus z. This is the simple method of the overloading. I have taken two method of the same name with the different parameter, number of the parameter. I doesn't change the data type yet, but in next class I am going to change the data type of the parameter. Next method which is also named add, but here I am taking float data type character. Float. My first parameter is of the float data type, both of the float data type. Let's say x, my variable x is of the float data type, and in previous two method my x is of the integer data type. You can easily understand. Another float of the y. This is my simple method sys out, and here x plus y, my simple message. These three methods I have created of the same name, but here in first method I have declared two parameter, in second method I have declared three parameter of integer data type, in third method I have declared two data type of the float. I have declared two parameters of the float data type, and first and third method contain two data types, two parameters, but of the different data type. First is integer and second is the third is the float. So how I can access this particular method and acquire the perfect result? So method overloading. I am creating object of the method overloading class, named it as the m, and new method overloading. Let's say this is the method overloading. This is the captionable method overloading. This is the advantages of the VS Code that I like most. Method overloading. New method overloading. And I can access this particular three method with the my object. Yum dot, my method name is add, but I have to here add my parameter, pass my parameter. And what are my parameter? First method contain two parameter, x and y, x and y. So I am giving here value of x is 5, value of y is also 5. So it will VS Code already knows that this is the first method because this is x, this is y. M dot add. I am taking here three parameter, 2, 5 and 7. 2, 5 and 7. So VS Code editor already is understand that this is my second method. And M dot add. Here I'm putting the variables or the parameters of this third method of the float data type. I'm printing here 3.4 and additional f because it should understand that this is of the float data type. And 5.7 which is of the float data type. This is my overall code, and what output I accept from this particular block of the code. This particular this is the this m dot add first. This is the result of first method. This is the second add xyz. This is the result of second method. And float data type, to float data type, to float parameters addition is the result of that particular third method. So I am save the code and running the code. This is my output. So check the output manually, is this correct or not. My first output here, add, simply add x and y, it will give me 10. Yes, it is my correct output. This is add second but 3 parameter, 2 plus 5 plus 7. It will give me 7 14, which is also correct. And third 3.4 plus 5.7, it will give me 9.1, which is also correct answer. This is the method overloading, which is the important concept of the Java programming or object oriented programming, where that does not affect which language you use, C++, Java, Python, any language you used. This is the method overloading. This is all about video about the method overloading. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and thank you.